Hi everyone, it is Tony here from Custom PCs Australia. Today I'm going to show you how to do one of the most asked questions on a Mac, which is how to record a screenshot and how to record video. So press Command Shift and 5. So when you do that, up will come the little QuickTime screen here. So on the left you can see you can capture selected window, capture entire screen. So these are for the screenshots. And if you want to do that, you literally click on the one that you want and then click the record button. You can see you've got some options here, so you can change any of those that you want to. If you're not interested in that, you just want to capture the screen. So you click on record entire screen, hit the record button. Now so from there you'll see up the top there's a little recording icon, just to let you know that you are recording, just there. So where the mouse is there. So if you hit that button, it's going to stop recording and the file will come down into the right hand side. You can click on that file, you can then edit that file from there, but when you're ready, if you just click the done button, then that video will just be on your desktop, ready for you to use in whatever way you want to. That's it. Hope that helped. Cheers. Bye.